Match each equation with a graph above. So we have these four graphs, one going up to the right, down to the right, up to the right that way, down to the right that way. Get those four graphs, and we want to figure out which of them match with which of these. Okay, so how do we do this? I'd probably just take these guys one at a time. Start with this first one. I'm going to go Y, or I guess they called it J, so I'll call it J. J of x equals 1/5 to the x. Well, just bugs me to call it J. I'm going to call it Y. All right, so anyway, it's an exponential. X is in the power zone. I'm just going to make a table, I think, for this thing. So make a little x, y. In fact, why don't I do it right over here? A little x, y table. Plug in 0. So y will equal 1/5 to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Plug in 1, you get 1/5 to the 1. Your calculator, that comes out just 1/5, which is a decimal 0.2. So, plug in 2. 1/5 to the 2. I think that's, 0.04. Your calculator will tell you. So, this graph is going down. Well, what's it doing? Let me see. Over 0, up 1. And then over 1, up 0.2, over 2. So over 0, up 1. Over 1, up 0.2, over 2, up 0.04. So it's kind of going like this. It's getting down really low to the right. So that's got to be the blue one. See the blue one that's coming down like this? Yeah, that's got to be the blue one. So this is B for blue. Let's try the next one. I'm just going to do these things one at a time here. Let me try that again. Let's try another one. So how about the next one, 5? So y equals 5 to the x. Make a little xy chart here. If x is 0, 5 to 0. Anything to 0 power is 1 again. So over 0, up 1. Plug in 1, 5 to the 1. That's just 5. Plug in 2, 5 to the 2, that's 25, 5 squared. So this graph is going over 0, up 1, over 1, up 5, over 2, way up. So this one's rocketing up. So remember, exponential, all these exponential graphs rocket on one side, flatten on the other. So that's got to be this black one right here. So the black one. So this is the black one, C. So we only have 2 more left. Let me erase this right here. Now, let's come down and try this, this one right here. So let me get this out of the way. So y equals, whoops, let me try that again. Y equals minus 2 to the x, so xy chart, plug in 0. Minus 2 to the 0. In fact, let me just get rid of the y there. Minus 2 to the 0. Now, watch out. The negative is still there. So it's negative 1. Plug in 1. Minus 2 to the 1. That's minus 2. Plug in 2. Minus 2 to the 2. Now, watch out. A lot of people think that's 4, but it's minus 4 because the minus is not squared. There's no parentheses there. The minus is just sitting there. Minus 4. So what does that graph look like? Over 0, down 1. Right? Over 1, down 2. Over 2, down 4. So it's going down very fast to the right, going down. So it's got to be that green one. So it's got to be D. That's matching with the green one. And so then the last one, that's got to match with the red one. So that's how they go, B, C, D, A, like that. And so I didn't do the last one, but you could just do the same thing. Make a table for all these graphs, and you can find which one's which one.